Well, temperature and humidity increasing today. We are waking up to chilly temperatures, but by the afternoon warming nicely. An isolated shower is possible, but most areas will stay dry. Partly cloudy skies with 79 degrees as our forecast high. And then for the evening, above normal temperatures continue. In fact, we're going to see a warming trend over the next few days. We're in the upper 70s to low 80s, and that is above normal for this time of year. Buck's forecast, though, looks good. We're going to be about 78 degrees at kickoff under partly cloudy skies. Again, an isolated shower possible, but pretty unlikely that we're going to see that at the Bucks game. Probably just a mix of sun and clouds. The reason we're increasing the moisture, well, our winds are now coming out of the east. That's pulling that moisture out of the Atlantic, and then over the next 24 hours or so, they're going to come more out of the southeast, which is going to pull even more of that warm, moist tropical air into our forecast. So a few little showers dotting our futurecast, but again, most areas should remain dry, just humid. In fact, that's bared out by our futurecast dew points. You can see right now dew points in the 50s, which is actually pretty low, which is nice because it feels great. But in the next few hours, dew points already up to 61 degrees, which starts to feel a bit humid. And then by Monday, dew points are in the upper 60s. That's more summertime like. So you definitely will feel that increase in humidity over the next 24 hours. For boaters, certainly a better day than it was on Saturday. Winds out of the east 10 to 15 knots, seas 2 to 3, moderate chop on bay and inland waters. And here's your tides at the St. Petersburg Pier. So your forecast looks like this. It's a warm day, warmer than we've seen the last couple of days, 79 degrees, partly cloudy skies. Again, an isolated shower possible, but I'm putting the rain chance at actually less than 10%. And then overnight tonight, 67 degrees. This is quite a bit warmer than what we've seen the last few nights, and it certainly will be a bit more humid. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. Warming trend continues into the work week, especially in our early morning lows, which will be in the upper 60s. We do see a weak front moving through on Thursday. It'll just cool us down a few degrees and bring us a little bit less in the way of humidity for the end of the work week.